Hi people, welcome to another video of Learn Book Name with Saurabh, and today we will be focusing on the IBPS exam. Let's start with the procedure to apply for the IBPS clerk exam. Firstly, you have to go to their website, which is ibps.in. I'll put a link to it in the description box below, and then on the left hand side you can see the clerk and PO. You'll find a PDF. Okay, go through the complete PDF. It has all the instructions to apply. Register yourself there and apply for this thing. So the IBPS clerk exams goes in 3 stages. The first one being prelims, the second one being main, and the final one being LPT. Most of you guys will be concerned with LPT, which stands for Language Proficiency Test. Once you have applied and you have done all the formalities, then you have prelims in some time. Okay, so you need to prepare for maths, you need to prepare for aptitude and English. I think a book I could suggest you is Quantitative Aptitude by Agarwal. I'll add link to some more books in the description box below. You guys can check it out as well. Then once you're done with your prelims, then you have mains. The mains basically has the same syllabus, that is English, maths and aptitude, and in addition you have GK. There are some books available which have everything consolidated as in what happened in that particular year. I would prefer those books over the other books. And reading a newspaper is a must because it helps you in the daily affairs, right? In the current affairs. Again, both of these, that is the mains and prelims, have MCQs or multiple choice questions which are completely objective. Okay, you don't have to write anything. It is just like choosing the best out of 4. After the mains, you have now 2 things left before you join in the bank. First thing being DV, which stands for Document Verification, and the second thing being LPT, which is the Language Proficiency Test. Document Verification, you would be called at one of the headquarters of the banks. Need not necessarily be in Goa, maybe in any other state where they have the headquarters there. They'll ask for all your documents and you need to carry a few of the photocopies there to submit them. Okay. Once the DV is done, then you're left with LPT, and now is the time where you can start for studying the LPT. LPT would be testing 3 skills of yours: reading, writing and speaking. The difficulty level of the exam depends from bank to bank. Every bank has their own standards. Some are really strict, who need good level of proficiency, and there are some banks who don't need that level of proficiency. They just need some basic proficiency in the language. For the LPT and specifically Konkani, you can refer to my videos, and there are again few other institutions in Goa who teach Konkani. You guys can join those classes. There are a few books which I had recommended in one of my videos, so you can go through those as well. I'll put the link in the description box below. Regarding Konkani, you can ask me as many questions as you want. The email address for mailing me is kaisaresaurabh@gmail.com. I have a Facebook page of mine as well. Again, it's named Learn Book Name with Saurabh. Please do go and like the page. So how should you study for the exam? Thing number 1, don't study about the language in the earlier stages. As I told you, the portion for prelims and mains is almost same. So you don't need to delineate between the syllabus for those. Once you prepare for prelims, you are indirectly preparing for the mains as well, right? The mains paper might be a bit difficult. In mains, again, you have additional GK, so you need to read the newspaper and the quantitative, English and the other skills. I would recommend you guys to go through some mock tests because they'll tell you exactly where you are weak in or in which topic particularly you're weak in, so that you can work out on them more. That is it for today, guys. It's pretty sunny here. I need to go now, and hope you guys found this video to be useful. Don't forget to give me a like and of course do subscribe. Bye bye for the day and all the best for your exams.